This is 30 days spoken Ma, culture and language orientation. My name is Teto Weletutuma, and this is the first video in delving into the topics of what we are going to study in the 30 days, and the first chapter of what we are going to look at in the next 2 days. We are going to look at relationship with Israel, or Israel roots. Did you know that the Maasai are available or have their traces from the Bible? In these next 2 days, we are going to look at a few folktales, a few Bible stories. We are going to look at a few ways of life that are similar between the Maasai and the Israelites. As for today, let me get that Bible. Yes, so again on this second day, we are looking at the association and the relationship between the Maasai and the Hebrew nation, or the Israelites. And I want us to open the first from the Bible, the first book of Chronicles, chapter 9, and I will read from verse 12. And Adaiah, the son of Jeroham, son of Pashur, son of Malkijah, and Maasai, the son of Adiel, son of Jazerah, son of Meshulam, son of Meshulemith, son of Immer. And I really was needing to be particular about that verse here that says 12. And Pashur, son of Malkijah, and Maasai, the son of Adiel. So, did you ever know that? From biblical roots, the Maasai are known to be the sons of Adiel. And we can remember from the first verse in that chapter, the Bible says, so, not the first chapter, the first verse of the 9th chapter. We also have mother tongue influence, Maasai's F and V, and we are going to get through some of this. So, the first verse from that chapter, 1 Chronicles chapter 9, so verse 1. So all Israel was enrolled by genealogies, and these are written in the book of the kings of Israel, and Judah was taken into exile in Babylon because of their unfaithfulness. So maybe as a nation, as Maasai nation, we're still going through challenges because of our unfaithfulness, and I want to assume the unfaithfulness now is us forgetting our language. So tomorrow, we are going again to look at a few other examples that seem or make us similar with the nation of Israel. Again, thank you so much for enrolling in this course. I hope you have signed up for the class. You've received all material that are necessary in the first day. You're also going to receive language instruction material. I'll also say this. What I'm going to call shumbane medu yanguruga yuling kagera kedu anyok na abe kudakino tenebo erana enengo tunesho yoga kaimera kaidim nairo nini nguyina nairo ningu sini nyangurugino ni au kidu ara isiri ejolairo yeni naishi